On the sun side, South African National Standards. For the new users, on the left hand side, if you go down in the root menu, you'll find the suns, and in the sub-column, your first batch of commands will be your 10400, and if you go below that, it's your suns, water and lighting. So I'm going to click on the command, and for the existing users, you will notice that under your water, there's some new symbols added, as well as under your light and electrical. So we're going to start off with a ceiling light point. Now, as soon as you click on the symbol, as you can see, Caddie gives you a preview. So you're going to bring in the symbol from the preview. Below that, as you can ask Caddie to align to an object. You tell Caddie what is your watt for that particular light. The room. Now we're going to start off with the dining room. So let's go up to the dining room. Your on-time hours a day. And you're going to left click on the preview, and Caddie will ask us position for the block. So I'm going to place my symbol, and the symbol is placed. So I also, while I'm in my dining room, I would like to add a strip light. So if I go down to LED strip light, you will see that the preview that you see from your symbol is exactly how it's going to place your symbol. So I would like to place it against the wall. I don't have to ask Caddie to align because the preview is horizontal. So I'm going to click on the symbol, and I can place my symbol. Now I'd like to go to my living room. So I'm going to change my room to living room. I would like to add a combo socket set in my living room. So I'm going to click on the symbol. Now this is a combo socket, the South African and European, with 2 USB plugs. So I'm going to click on the preview. Now it's exactly how I would like to align it. So I don't have to ask Caddie to align to an object. If I go down to, say, TV socket, now you will see my symbol. Let's call it at 12 o'clock. So now I'm going to ask Caddie to align symbol because I would like to use the wall as a reference. So I'm going to click on the symbol. Caddie will ask me now, indicate object to align to. I'm going to indicate the wall, and I can place my symbol. Now I'd like to go to my kitchen. So on the right hand side, let's go and select the kitchen. If you can't find the room, you can always update it under extended data, but I'll show you now. So in my kitchen, I would like to add LED downlighters. So I'm going to select the symbol. I'm then going to ask Caddie to align symbol. Click on the symbol, and I can place my 2 symbols in my kitchen. Then I would like to go to the outside for security. So I'm going to ask Caddie for security light with sensor, and the room itself is going to be on the outside. So let's go down. Okay, let's go to the outside, and as you can see, it's horizontal, the symbol. I'm going to ask Caddie to align the symbol. Click on the symbol, and Caddie will ask us indicate object to align to. It's going to be my wall, and I can place my symbol. Remember, at any stage you can select the symbol, see for copy, hold down your tab key, and you can place your symbol horizontal to another wall. So now we're done with the symbols. Now I'd like to schedule them. So on the left hand side, you'll see there's a command that's called suns lighting schedule. Caddie will ask us indicate object to schedule. So I'm just going to create a selection box, my symbols, and then Caddie will ask us indicate position for schedule table. So I'm going to left click, and as you can see, it is give me my type, the room, the power, on-time hours, as well as day used. Now they all remain the same, but say for instance I would like to make a change to the LED strip light. I can either, if I know where's the strip light, I can go to the properties, or what I can do is I can select the table, right click, and I can ask Caddie under the schedule table, zoom to a specific object in schedule table. Caddie will ask us select schedule table item. I'm going to ask Caddie the LED strip light. It takes me to the symbol. Now if you select the symbol, you've got your properties, but under extended data, you can ask Caddie. Say for instance, my watt remains 5, but my on time, I'm going to change that to 3, and my days per year is going to be 200. So if I now I'm going to go back to my table, you will see that there will be a line through your table because your table is out of date. All you have to do is you can select the table, and in the object properties, you will see there's an option that says update automatically. So any changes that you're going to make to your symbols, then your table will update automatically. And as you can see, my LED strip light, my on-time hours did change to 3, as well as my days used.